Are you ready to take your productivity to new heights? Discover the game-changing efficiency boosters that modern construction equipment brings to your projects at cellularconstructionequipment.com. Number 1. Speed and precision. Leave no room for delays or errors. Our advanced excavators, bulldozers, and loaders are engineered for lightning-fast performance and precise execution. Number 2. Increase workload capacity. Tackle the toughest challenges with ease. Our cranes, forklifts, and material handlers boast unmatched strength and capacity, effortlessly managing heavy workloads and optimizing material handling. Number 3. Automation and robotics. Embrace the future of construction with automation and robotics. Our autonomous machinery, robotic bricklayers, and drones streamline tasks and enhance safety, allowing your team to focus on more strategic aspects of your projects. Number 4. Versatility and multifunctionality. Maximize efficiency with adaptable equipment. Backhoes and skid-steer loaders with interchangeable attachments offer unmatched versatility, eliminating the need for multiple machines and keeping your projects on track. And number 5. Advanced telematics and connectivity. Stay in control with real-time data. Our construction equipment is equipped with telematics and connectivity features, providing insights into performance, fuel consumption, and maintenance needs. Optimize schedules and enhance productivity with this valuable information. At cellularconstructionequipment.com, we pride ourselves on offering top-quality construction equipment that revolutionizes productivity. Take the first step toward enhanced productivity. Contact us at 214-773-0207 to explore our equipment selection and elevate your construction game.